Hi, Leah Cohen here doing my sheep brain dissection. We're going to start with the gross anatomy of the sheep's brain. This is the frontal lobe. These are the parietal lobes, right and left side. These are the temporal lobes, right and left side. And this is the occipital lobe. A gyrus and sulcus, those are the hills and valleys we see all over the gross anatomy of the brain. The hills are the little parts that stick up, and those are called the gyrus, and the sulcus are the valleys, the little dark lines that make it look like a brain. And this is the longitudinal fissure that goes down the middle here, and it separates the right and left cerebral hemispheres. And the lateral sulcus is right here on the side that separates the temporal lobe from the parietal lobes. And now we're going to look at the cerebellum. This is the cerebellum right here, and we're going to flip our little guy over here, and this is the pons, this big bulge right here. This is the medulla oblongata, and then we have the olfactory bulb, which is up here, and the olfactory tract, which is right here. We have the optic nerves, these guys here. We have the optic chiasm, which is the X right here. We have the cerebral peduncle, which is right below that. And we have the pituitary gland, the hypophysis, which we took off of our guy, and the pituitary gland is right there. Now we're going to look at a few of the cranial nerves. We have the optical nerve, which is right here, CN2. We have the ocular motor, which is CN3, which is right here. For some reason, my little guy only had one. And we have the trochlear, which is CN4, and it is right here. We have the trigeminal, which is CN5, which is right here. And we have the abducens, which is CN6, which is the larger one right down here. And now we're going to go and we're going to look at the midbrain. And we're going to look at the corpora quadrilemma, which is right down in there. You can also see it when we separate our guy right here. Actually, I think it shows better on this one. Right down there. We have the superior colliculi and the inferior colliculi, right and left side. The inferior is this one right here. The superior is this one right here. And we have the penile body, which is right here next to the thalamus.